Now that you have set up your headset, we will cover how to view the experiences in VR. Begin by opening the Yulio VR app on your headset. The home screen in the Yulio VR app is called your headset gallery. Here you will find the projects loaded onto your headset. Viewing in the Yulio app is simple. You have the option to navigate with the controllers, but we find it easier and more intuitive to use Yulio's Gaze and Go navigation, meaning you don't need the controllers. Go ahead and set them down. After a couple seconds, they will go to sleep and Gaze and Go viewing will be activated. As you move your head around the headset, you will notice a small circle following you. That is your gaze indicator and what you will use as your pointer to click on elements while viewing. To open one of the experiences, hold your gaze over the View button. The VR experiences have hotspots with information about the space and technology, as well as options for navigating. There are two primary ways to navigate the experience in VR. The first is using navigation hotspots. These are the solid white circles you will see throughout the space and will provide a walkthrough experience using point-to-point navigation. To activate a navigation hotspot, hold your gaze over the hotspot icon and you will be transported to the next scene. The second way to navigate is using the project floor plan. To open the floor plan, look down and you will see 5 icons appear. The one second to the right is your floor plan icon. Hold your gaze over it to activate it. The blue marker is where you're currently standing. Hold your gaze over any of the red markers to navigate around the space. Also in the space, you will see a variety of hotspot icons made up of text, image, audio, and video. These will provide you with more information about the space and the technology. You can identify the type of hotspot by the icon. To activate any of the hotspots, simply hold your gaze over it. When a hotspot is opened, the audio will begin playing or the content will center on screen. Hold your gaze over the close button to return to the experience. For audio and video hotspots, ensure the volume is turned up on the headset using the volume buttons on the headset itself. The volume buttons are located on the bottom right of the headset. While in the headset, you can switch the experience that you are currently viewing. To switch experiences, look down to find your control icons and hold your gaze over the one on the right that says Exit Project. This will return you to the main headset gallery. Hold your gaze over the view icon of the experience you would like to view next. A couple of the experiences also have augmented reality hotspots. For these, you will need the controllers. AR hotspots allow you to interact with the object and view it in your own environment. When you activate an AR hotspot, pick up the controllers. When you look down at your controllers, each button will be labeled. The joysticks allow you to move, lift, and rotate the object. The toggle environment button will allow you to switch the background environment the object is displayed in, and the back to scene button will take you back to the main experience.